What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Our topic for today is all about how to fix surviving the aftermath stuck on loading screen. First thing you need to try is by restarting the game as well as your computer. If this doesn't fix the problem, then try to run the Epic Games launcher as an administrator. Right-click on the Epic Games launcher, then select Run as Administrator. After that, launch the Surviving the Aftermath game. If the problem persists, then set the app to a high performance. Click on the search icon below, then search for Graphics Settings. Open it. Then click Browse and locate the Surviving the Aftermath game and add it. After adding, click on it, then set it to a high performance. If the problem persists after doing that method, then you need to allow the game through your Windows firewall. To do that, click the search icon below. Then search for Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Next, click the Change Settings above. Then click the Allow another app button below. Click on Browse, then navigate to the Surviving the Aftermath app on your computer. Then select it. Click Open below and click Add Now. Once you have added the app, check the box on Private and Public. Then click OK button. If by doing all of this and still has the issues, then you need to uninstall the app and reinstall it on the Epic Games launcher. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.